Good morning, students. Today we shall learn how to change the sentences of past continuous tense into passive. Just a second. Sentences of past continuous tense into passive. First of all, students, you must know what is the structure of past continuous tense. The structure is subject plus was were plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. This is the structure of past continuous tense. It means whenever you will write any of the sentence of active voice, that will be in this structure. So when you will change that sentence into passive voice, we are to apply all the rules. Which rules I am talking about? Like object of active voice will be used in passive as new subject. So this object of active voice will become new subject in passive, right? Next step is, according to the new subject, we are to use helping verb was were. Then, as we are making passive form, definitely in continuous, being will be used with helping verb. Then in passive we use third form of verb, then by, and then subject of active voice will become new object in passive. Right. So students, you must know the structure. If you know the structure, easily you can change any of the sentence into passive according to the tense. For example, he was reading a book, or the cat was drinking the milk. Right. Now change it into passive. First take this sentence. He was reading a book. With the help of helping verb and main verb, we come to know about this thing, that the tense is past continuous tense. Now apply the rule. This rule I am talking about. The object of active voice will become new subject in passive. So a book, it is singular, so use helping verb was, and then use of being. A book was being, third form of read, 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 reads. Then a book was being read by, he will change into him as it is the object. Next is, the cat was drinking the milk. What is the object? The milk. This will become the subject. The milk. Now, according to milk, we are to use helping verb was, then being. The milk was being, third form of drink, drank, drunk. The milk was being drunk by the cat. Dear students, remember one thing. If you know the structure of tense and as well as the rules which we are to apply during passive, you can change any of these 10 sentences into passive. So according to this rule, we shall change all the sentences of past continuous tense into passive. And suppose if the sentence is negative, means after was or were there is use of not. Okay, then in passive also, with helping verb, just after them use not. It means if the sentence was he was not reading, suppose I am using not here, he was not reading a book. So what would be the passive? A book was, here use not being read by him. If I say the cat was not drinking the milk, then the milk was not being drunk by the cat. So in this way you will change the negative sentences of past continuous tense into passive. So students, further we shall discuss past perfect tense, and remember the interrogative sentence apply the same whatever you applied in present tense, present continuous tense, the method will remain the same. As in active and passive, helping verb will be used in the beginning. In passive also you are to use helping verb in the beginning, right? Just take an example. Now we shall discuss interrogative sentence. In interrogative sentence, the structure will be was were plus subject plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. This is the structure of interrogative sentence. When you will change these interrogative sentences into passive, the structure will be was were, then new subject, then being, then third form of verb, then by, and then new object. Right? As the sentence was he was reading a book, make it interrogative. Was he reading a book? Was he reading a book? Now here change it into passive. Definitely the object will become the new subject. So according to it we have to use helping verb. So it is singular, was a book. Two steps we have covered, helping verb and new subject. Was a book being, third form, read by him. So dear students, in this way you shall change, you will change the interrogative sentences into passive form. In next video we shall discuss past perfect tense. Thank you.